Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to learn coding for beginners, from where you should learn the coding, and what all basic tools you need to set up in your system to start the coding. So keep continue watching this video, and at the end of this video we will get complete idea about what all things you need to learn and how you can learn without paying anything, and from which platform basically you should learn. So all these things I am going to share in this video, so keep watching this video. So guys, first question is how you can learn the coding. So to learn the coding you have to know about the syntax of the programming language. So basically there are lots of programming languages out there, but you have to select one programming language so that you can start coding in that particular programming language. So to learn it, first you have to go through the programming language syntax, and you have to learn how you can code particular language. So once you have got idea about the syntax and all, so you have to do the practice of the syntax or of that particular programming language somewhere, so that you can get some hands-on experience on that particular programming language. So only by going through or theoretically learning any language won't help you in grasping the concept. So the best way is to learn the theoretical concepts of the programming language, and parallelly do the hands-on as well. So by hands-on it will help you to keep the syntax in your mind, and it will help you to learn the coding concepts quickly. So this is how you can do the start the coding journey. So next question is from where you can learn the coding. So basically there are lots of platforms available to learn the coding. Many are paid, and many are free of cost. So I would recommend as a big if you are a beginner, so you don't have to pay anything. So there are lots of good platforms available to learn the coding without paying anything. So I would recommend about the free code camp. So this is like very nice platform to learn anything about the computer science subjects. So if you want to learn the coding, you can learn from here as well. So here you can learn from basic till advanced, and best way part of it is you will at the end of the course you will get the course completion certification. So you can use this certificate in your resume or CV to showcase your learning and knowledge about particular coding language and all. So this is best option to start learning coding, and here you don't have to pay anything, and from basic till advanced all the concepts are covered one by one. So this is one of the best platform, but there are lots of paid platforms like Code Academy, Geeks for Geeks, and many more. So if you want, you can learn from there as well, but those are paid courses and are really costly courses. So I would recommend to go for the free code camp. So it's a really nice platform, so you should go for this. So the third question is how you can practice your code, what all tools you need to set up in your system to start practicing the coding. So there are lots of tools available at free of cost, so you can basically install in your system. So the tool is the integrated development environment, IDE. So using this IDE, within this IDE you will get editor. So there you have to type the code and you can run and debug your code. So I would recommend about the VS Code. So this is Visual Studio Code provided by the Microsoft. So you can download and install it in your system, and you can start coding here. And if you have very basic system configurations and your system is very slow, so you don't have to worry about setting up all these things in your system. Instead of it, you can go to online platforms like onlinegdb.com. So this is my favorite online code editor. So there you can create separate files, you can create projects online, and you can start editing your codes there. So after editing, you can run, you can test your test cases, and you can debug easily there. And whatever code you have written, you can save it there as well. So basically, to save it, you have to create account, and whatever projects you create, you have to save it, and it will remain there in that particular platform. So this is best platform if you don't want to set up anything, and if you don't want to take our head of this setup and configuration in your system. So you can go to the onlinegdb.com, and from on that particular platform you can start coding. So I would recommend to go for this particular platform. So this is one of the best in online. So if you have good system and if you don't want to go for the online, so I would recommend VS Code. But there are lots of other IDEs are available, so you can choose those as well. So you can do some research, and you can whatever you feel like good or suitable for you, you can install those. So guys, I have covered all these three questions in this video about how you can start learning the coding as a beginner, from where you can learn at free of cost without paying anything, and what all tools you need to set up to start doing the hands-on of the coding in your local system, as well as without installing anything, and you can go to the online platform and start coding. So I have given complete idea about it, so you can learn from it, you can start practicing, you can start creating projects. So after learning all these programming skills, you can start solving uh, problems based on data structure and algorithms, so that to basically build concept of the programming and to apply the knowledge of the coding and programming to solve the problem. So I hope this video will be helpful for you to start your coding journey and to set path to success. uh, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and please press on the bell icon, because I keep sharing contents related to coding and all. So thank you for watching my video.